Hey, it's Rick here, and today I'm going to be showing you an iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max case that you can feel good about because it is 100% biodegradable. It's by Skech. It's called the BioCase. It's made out of all natural materials. Even the packaging that it comes in is recyclable. As you see, the materials it's made out of on the back side here. What that basically means is when you're done with it, it's going to decompose over time. It won't sit in a landfill, so it's not going to harm the earth. And if you want to accelerate that process, you can send it back to Skech and they'll handle the recycling of it for you. Now, as we get a look at a couple of the different colors that I have here, I will mention you're not going to lose any protection with this case because it is 100% biodegradable. It's rated for up to 5 feet drops. And I'll also mention, if you take a look in the description of this video, I'll have all the details on where you can pick this one up once it becomes available. So be on the lookout for that. Now, here is my iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can see the buttons are fairly responsive. I did find that there's a little bit of loss or a little bit of resistance when you press that volume rocker, which it is a rocker. They're not separated buttons, but nothing too terrible and definitely not a deal breaker here. There is enough of a lip around the screen that it is going to provide some layer of protection for your screen face down on a flat surface. There's the bottom, so you can see all of the cutouts there, and then of course along the side. And then as we take a look at that volume rocker switch, I'll also call out that it's very easy to get to the mute switch. So if you need to silence your phone, very easy to do. And likewise, to put it back in its audible state, you could do that as well. Along the back side, it's a clean look here. And you get minimal branding in that bottom left-hand corner. Otherwise, again, very clean, shows minimal fingerprints here, and gives a good layer of protection and grip in the hand. So it is by Skech. It's called the BioCase. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.